Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to customize quick access toolbar in Excel. Like and subscribe to support this channel. Let's get started. For example, you will often create charts in Excel. Select range, insert, and then select some chart. And so it's every time. To speed up the work, add the charts command to the quick access toolbar. Right-click on the desired command and select Add to quick access toolbar. And the command immediately appeared on the quick access toolbar and can be used. To remove unnecessary command, right-click on the unnecessary command and select Remove from quick access toolbar. It's that simple. But if the command you need is not present on the ribbon, for example, a calculator, you can add it in the following way. Click the right mouse button in the area of the Quick Access Toolbar and select Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Excel options have opened. If you want to know exactly where these options are, select File, Options, Quick Access Toolbar. So this window shows commands that you often use and that you can already add to the Quick Access Toolbar. But we need a calculator. Click Choose Commands from the drop-down list, select Commands not in the ribbon. Find the calculator, click on its icon, then add and click OK. The calculator has been added to the Quick Access Toolbar, and that's what you can do with any commands in Excel. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.